We have discussed the changes in human life during the Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. And then third, Neolithic age. So today we discuss the Neolithic age. Okay, Neolithic age. In Neolithic age, men began to use polished stone tools. Okay, men began to use polished stone tools. This period is called the Neolithic age. Men began to use polished stone tools. So, this period is called Neolithic age. In Neolithic age, men use polished stone tools. The beginning of cultivation was a major progress in this period that dates around 80,000 years back. In Neolithic age, they began to cultivate. So, this is the major progress in the Neolithic age. The beginning of cultivation was the major progress in the Neolithic age. The changes from food gathering to food production is a landmark in the history of human life. In Neolithic age, they start or they beginning the cultivation. So, that lead to food gathering to food production. Men began to cultivate and settle down in the river valleys. So they start cultivation, then they want to settle life. So they began to cultivate and settle down in the river valleys. Okay. In Neolithic age, human began to rear animals for food. In the Neolithic age, human begins to rear animals for food. That also happened in Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. Okay. They begin a settled life for the purpose of cultivation and domestication of animals. So they start domestication in Mesolithic age and also that continuing from Neolithic age. Okay, they start to domesticate animals. They begin a settled life for the purpose of cultivation and domestication of animals. Wheat, barley, jute, different kinds of tubers, paddy, plantain, etc. were the major crops of that age. So, we discuss they start cultivation and they use wheat, barley, jute, different kinds of tubers, paddy, plantain, etc. Okay. Environmental changes, scarcity of food, population growth, etc. are pointed out as the major reason that led to cultivation. We discuss they start cultivation in Neolithic age. The early humans start cultivation in Neolithic age because of environmental changes, scarcity of food, population growth, etc. Changes in the human life brought about by cultivation in the Neolithic age. Changes in human life brought by changes in the human life brought about by cultivation in the Neolithic age. The Golden Child, the historian. Golden Child is an historian. He termed these changes as Neolithic Revolution. These changes he told Neolithic Revolution. Okay. Golden Child, the historian, termed these changes as Neolithic Revolution. Look at this picture.